Self-esteem grows when we begin to trust ourselves, not because we're perfect, but because we keep showing up. These affirmations are here to remind you, you are enough just as you are. You don't have to earn your worth. It's already within you. I will read each affirmation once. Feel free to repeat after me, or simply listen and let the words settle in. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. And exhale slowly. Let's begin. I trust myself to handle what comes my way. I respect the person I'm becoming. My voice matters. I believe in my ability to grow. I am proud of my progress, even if it's slow. I don't need to prove my worth to anyone. I recognize my own strengths. I give myself credit for showing up. I am learning to stand tall in who I am. I treat myself with the same respect I give others. I am worthy of kindness, including from myself. My value isn't tied to productivity. I am not defined by my mistakes. I hold space for my imperfections. I am allowed to take up space. I belong just as I am. I am learning to like myself more each day. I notice what I do well, not just what I lack. I trust my inner voice to guide me. I am enough, even when I feel uncertain. I allow myself to be seen without shrinking. I treat myself with honesty and care. My worth is steady, no matter how others see me. I am building unshakable confidence from the inside out. I am a work in progress, and that's okay. I acknowledge how far I've come. I let go of the pressure to be perfect. I speak about myself with compassion. I validate my own feelings and needs. I celebrate the courage it takes to grow. I am safe to be fully, authentically me. I believe in my worth even on hard days. I am becoming someone I trust. I am worthy of taking up space in every room I enter. I honor my progress, not just my potential. My self-esteem grows as I honor my truth. I am enough without needing to prove it. I release the need to compare myself to others. I choose to see myself through a lens of compassion. My presence holds value even when I feel quiet. I deserve to be treated with respect and dignity. My worth doesn't waver with outside validation. I walk through life with gentle confidence. I trust myself to make choices that support my growth. I am learning to validate myself without needing approval. Confidence comes from showing up, not being perfect. I give myself permission to take up emotional space. I can feel uncertain and still believe in myself. I am worthy of kindness, even when I feel insecure. I am not behind. I am on my own timeline. My self-worth is not based on comparison. I believe in my ability to rebuild when I fall. I choose to root for myself, not doubt myself. I hold myself with quiet confidence. I am learning to be proud of who I am. I don't need permission to believe in myself. Take a moment to notice the way these words land within you. Even a small shift in how you see yourself can change everything. Every time you speak kindly to yourself, you're building trust from the inside out. Thank you for choosing yourself today. Thank you for being here with me at Happiley. Repeat this session every day for 21 days and gently watch your confidence grow. Let this be your gentle beginning. You can always return to this space whenever you need